In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp login problem or WhatsApp loading problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, uninstall WhatsApp, then install again. Now search for 111 VPN. Install it. Now open 1.1.vpn. Tap on connect. Now open WhatsApp. Agree and continue. Hello. Enter your number. Then tap on next. Continue. Continue. Hello. 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 Restore chat. Now I hope that this method fix WhatsApp login problem or WhatsApp loading problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our guide.